In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make moving graph video on Canva. Data visualized. If you've ever wanted your data to tell a story on its own, a moving bar chart is a great way to do it. We'll start simple, keep everything clear, and by the end, you'll have a smooth, dynamic visualization ready to go. First, open your design. This can be any existing project where you want the chart to live, maybe a video, a presentation slide, or a social post. Make sure you are on the page where you want the animation to appear so you can see it in context as you build. Next, head over to the Apps tab. In the search bar, type Charts. You'll see a range of options, but we're going for motion today. Scroll through until you find the interactive options and select Bar Race Charts. This style animates your bars over time, letting viewers watch values change and reorder themselves as the story unfolds. It's perfect for trends, rankings, or comparisons that evolve. Once the chart appears on your canvas, it's time to input your data. Click Edit on the chart. Here, you can manually enter your labels and values, or bring data in from a CSV file or Google Sheets. If you are typing it in, keep labels short and descriptive, and make sure values are numbers only, no currency symbols or percent signs. If you are importing, check that your columns are clearly labeled, that there aren't any blank rows, and that your values are formatted as numbers. For time-based animations, include a clear time or category step if the chart asks for it. Think dates, years, or stages, so Canva knows how to sequence the movement. If you link a Google Sheet, remember that cleaner data means smoother playback, and that small adjustments in your sheet can update the chart without redoing everything. With your data in place, open the Customize tab to fine-tune the playback. Adjust the speed to match your audience's attention. Slower settings give viewers time to read each shift, while faster speeds add energy for quick overviews. Decide whether you want the animation to loop. Looping is great for background displays or social clips. If you turn looping off, the chart will gracefully stop on the final frame, which works well for presentations or voiceovers where you'll discuss the result. Watch a quick preview as you tweak speed to make sure the pacing feels natural. That's it. Thanks for watching.